Hello guys, welcome to our channel Mystic Tarot World. Today we are going to start with the October reading. Let's see what's going to happen for you all in the month of October regards to your love life. I'm going to start with the Aries, the first sign of the zodiac. Let's see what's going to happen for all of you. What's going to happen for Aries in the month of October? How's the month of October going to be for Aries? Let's see. This is a general love reading. It won't resonate with everyone out there, so just keep that in mind. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel. Let's see what's happening for Aries. Okay, Four of Cups. This is Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. Maybe you're dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. We don't want that many cards. I just want single cards. Okay, the next is Page of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. Another Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Aries for the month of October. Wow, Wheel of Fortune, Page of Swords, Hanged Man, Piscean energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy, and this is the Piscean energy. More of water sign is coming up for you, Aries. And the last card is the Fool card. This is the Aries energy, and the bottom of the deck is Nine of Pentacles. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay. So Aries. Okay, for many of you, reconciliation, definitely. In the month of October, someone is coming back into your life. Someone is just waiting for the right time. They're ready to take that leap of faith. This person wants to take that leap of faith. They want to come back to you. They don't want to be in this stagnant position anymore. I am seeing many of your partners are spying on you. They are trying to see what you're doing, what you're up to. Will you take them back? They're testing the waters. I think many of you will get offer in the month of October from your person, from someone who hurted you in the past, or maybe from someone who did not accept your offer. So many of you are going to get an offer from a past person, from someone who did not accept your offer in the past. So yeah, I'm seeing someone coming back into your life. They want to get back to you. There is strong chance of reconciliation, which I'm seeing here. Someone is very much ready to deep dive into this relationship. Okay. Yeah, they are just the person is just wanting to unstuck from a situation that is quite stuck, that was stuck from a very long time. They want to unstuck from the situation. They want to come back. Okay. For many of you, this person might be spying on you. They're trying to see whether you will take them back, what you have in your mind, what you have in your heart. How would you react to them? How would you react to their offer? Would you accept it? So they are testing water. Okay. I'm also seeing many of you are going to reject this person's offer. Maybe you don't want them back. Maybe you don't want to deal with that bullshit. Okay. Many of you are not interested to take this person back easily. You are going to make this person chase you. You want explanations. You want clarifications. You want to know why this person behaved in the sense they behaved in past. You want to know why they took that step. Why did they hurt you? Why did not choose you when you really wanted them to? Where were they when you wanted them, when you needed them the most? So Aries, I'm seeing you in, you are going to be very, you're going to put your needs first, what you want, what you expect. And that is a very good thing. That is a sign of being very strong. You're going to be very strong and direct in your approach in the month of October. You're not going to take any shit from anyone. Okay. You're going to analyze first. What's intention of this person? Let's see what is the intention of this person towards you. What is the intention of the person? Okay. Maybe you're dealing with a Capricorn. I'm also seeing this person is very much passionate about you. Maybe they're sexually drawn towards you. They're attracted towards you. I'm also seeing many of you are into a toxic relationship with this person. What is this? Why is this Devil card here? Yeah, maybe they were in a third party situation. Maybe they were juggling you with someone else. Someone here was juggling someone else. Okay, and this situation has become very toxic. Many of you might be married and you got into a relationship with this person, so it is a third party situation. Okay, what more do we have? Or maybe they were into a divorced, or someone of you even might be a divorcee. Okay, or you might be dealing with someone who is a divorcee and you came to know about it, and you don't want this person back in your life now. You're like, I'm done. But on the other end, you're also not being able to forget this person. So it is a very complicated situation. What is the next move of this person? What is the next move of the Aries person? Yeah, they are going to decide whom they want. They took their time, they took their space, they took their time, they thought about it, they gave it a shot, they analyzed both of you, whom they want. Even if it was not a divorce situation, I think they were dealing with someone, okay, and they are deciding whom they want now in their life. Okay, they really need to decide. What more do we have in the future energies? Yeah, they are going to be very sad and very depressed, and they are going to be anxious. They are, this situation where they have to choose one person, this is stressing them out. Okay, or maybe you're distancing yourself from this person, you're not wanting them back, and this is stressing them out. For many of you, yeah, this person is super stressed. What more do we have in their future actions? Two of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. This person is just drawn towards you. They might be your soulmate. This person will realize how much they love you, how much love they have for you, and no one can love them more than you. Okay, what is the overall energy? Yeah, a lot of clarification. You're going to be very strong, Aries. Like, it is a trait of your sign that you're very strong. It is a positive trait about your sign, but you're going to show it now. You're not going to think by your heart, you're going to think by your mind now. You're going to be very straightforward of what you want, how you want. Okay, and that is a very good thing. What advice do we have for Aries? Yeah, understand your power, know your worth. You are a very you are a person with a lot of wisdom. You need to understand that. So do not accept whatever bullshit this person is throwing at you. Be very mindful of what this person's intentions are, how they act towards you, how they behaved with you, how they treat you, and you deserve better. This is an advice for you. Someone is going to come into your life, a new person, maybe possibly at your workspace. Maybe this person is working with you, and this person is perfect for you. They are on all levels. You will see this person is very compatible to you. So you need to know your worth. Like, don't settle down for anyone, just anyone. Know your worth, take stand for yourself, and understand that love is not enough if the other person is also dealing with someone else. You don't need to be an option. You don't have to be an option in someone's life. Understand that. And the last card is, Hermit. This is also a card of wisdom. You need to gain clarity. You need to open your eyes. You need to see the things for who they are, whom they are. You need to see the people or their reality of what they bring to your life. Okay. And the bottom of deck is Page of Pentacles. This is also an advice. You need to focus more on your needs, what you want out of a relationship. Okay. So this is what universe wants to tell you, that please look after your needs, what you want out of a person, out of a relationship. Don't just settle for anything less. Okay, let's see what advice do we have from the oracle. What advice do we have for Aries? What advice do we have for Aries? The first is door to spirit. Yeah, see, this is your spiritual journey. You need to understand that. You need to open your heart. This month you will be quite intuitive. Okay, you will be more connected to people on a soul level. You will understand. You can read through their hearts now. You will know who is just playing with your heart, who is just playing with your feelings, and who is true and who is not. Yeah. What more do we have? Yeah, the last card is strategy. I told you, you need to strategize. You need to plan your things out. You just can't be going with the flow. Understand what someone has to bring to the table. Understand what strategy they have in their mind made up for you. Okay, and you too can plan out. You too can play with someone's brain. You don't have to be the one who is always be the victim. Okay, So I think you need to strategize better, you need to plan better for your life overall, like your career wise, your finances wise. You need to, there is a need for you to strategize, okay, no matter what, in which sense we are talking about. And the last is angel of strength. You need to be very strong. That is what's going to come in the month of October. Strength. You're going to be very strong. You need to be very strong. No one can play with your feelings, okay? Don't let anyone play with your feelings. Stand for yourself. Be open to good people with good intentions, okay, not the toxic ones. So this was it. Let me see what handwritten advices do we have for you. Just take a look at the handwritten advices for Aries. What more do we have? What do we have for Aries? What do we have? Okay, the first is 3, 4, 8 months. Maybe 3, 4, 8 months something significant or important happened in your life, or it will happen 3 to 4 to 8 months from now, or March, April and August are going to be specific months for you, okay, or are specific months for you. What more do we have? Socialize. You need to be open to other people now. You need to socialize. Maybe you are not socializing much, and that was the main issue. New job. You're going to think of changing jobs, or you're going to get opportunities for a job change. Clarification. Yeah, I told you there is a lot of clarification that is going to come. Maybe the person you're dealing with is going to clarify you something, or maybe you're going to gain clarity in a situation, or you need to clarify some things from your side. 1, 5, 6 months. January, May and June are specific months for you, or maybe 1, 5, 6 months from now something major happened, or 1, 5, 6 months from now something major is going to happen, okay, either way. So this was it for Aries. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel. See you in next video.